Don't say. And say over video. Well, let's show the problem here. It's a regular Nintendo Game Boy, 19, I want to say 81, I'm not sure. Anyhow, I have a 79 here for my laptop, you guys haven't seen it. So no 8545, that's my main laptop right there. I could borrow once as well. There's a soldering iron, as you can recognize it. Travis these lines and spring, it's a common issue where the running cable comes apart over time. So you're gonna need to fix this. It's how you pull your Game Boy apart. Few screws. There are screws in the back of this board that will touch to the front cover, which I have no idea where it is right now. I have no idea why it crap. That's not good. Anyways, go ahead and try it. It might be hot enough now, I'm not sure. Let's see. Good. Oh, it's hot. Alright. I just want to stop the video to show you guys. Whoops. That's I'm not touching guys. Alright, it's kind of working. Oh, a second. Oh, this is going horribly. Get a line around. There we go. Oh, I'm making me a horse like this. Oh, ow, fuck. Crap. Okay, don't touch the soldering iron, guys. I knew that, but there it goes. Come on, bud. You can do it. Kind of waver it around. It's looking better, I think, but it can be better. I'm gonna set it on to like, okay. Yeah, better angle. Maybe. That'll work. Perfect. This is my iPhone 6, so yeah. I probably guess what this video is going to. Quality wise. Looking better. Sorry, that's not. I got no way to make it any brighter. Maybe. Either on. We got down to 200. Yeah. Oh, one. Come on. Okay. Oh, nice news at a place. Hands are at the greatest steady ways. Couldn't put my leg around. Hand on it. Yep. Come on. Which line just not like my door, but it's like cool off a little bit. Maybe it'll sit back into place, maybe. change it so good theme looks. It looks decent. So that one little line is off. Just that one little line is off. Just a little bit more. Oh, we need another line too. Oh, this is going horrible. And it's looking better. It's not. Okay, there we go. Now that went down. So, where it came from. Good. There's still that one line there. I'm going to go with. It's kind of odd. Wait a minute, see if it maybe cool up a little bit. Apparent. If not, it's good enough. For when you guys eat original condition, it was once. Nope. I'm gonna give it another few seconds, see if maybe it's not like put on long enough. No, that's my voice. I don't want to do that. Shit. No. But it might just be repairable, I guess. One line is still bigger than it was at. Try a little bit more of that. Put it in and say, alright, you're screwed. Huh. It's kind of odd. So it's not perfect. Yeah, it's hang on. Alright. Oh, I can't say I didn't try, right? There is the final result. But about good, I'm bringing it up. Hopefully, I can see that you guys. It's that together. And, wow. Let's just say I lost where I look in my head right now. That's too freaking hard. Try to get smoke again, right? I'm going down crap. No, I can't play again. I'm shipping. Yeah, no, I haven't said it. First, I lost the streak of the internal circuit board that goes to this part. So it's all on electrical tape, and now the button's not on part. I'm an idiot. I'm gonna do it.